The 12th myth can be summarized as follows. Black holes do not interact with massless particles and neutrinos. The roots of this myth lie in the school curriculum, in which the Newtonian law of universal gravitation is considered, and the general theory of relativity, if it is touched on at all, is covered superficially in a few words. According to Newton's law of universal gravitation, only objects that have mass attract each other. Therefore, people who are not familiar with the theory of relativity reason as follows. Photons have no mass. Thus, the force of gravitational attraction between a photon and a black hole equals 0, and therefore light should be indifferent to gravity. But all this is correct only within the limits of Newtonian gravitational theory, which, although revolutionary for its time, is now outdated and incorrect in many respects. Newton's theory of gravity was empirical. It provided a convenient formula for calculating the force of attraction between bodies, but it did not explain why it arises. The general theory of relativity explained gravitational attraction by the curvature of spacetime. The curvature of spacetime created by an object is called a gravitational well, and the more massive the object, the deeper its well. For massive objects, it is intense, and for a black hole, it is, in fact, infinitely deep. Photons move in straight lines in spacetime, but when this line passes through the gravitational well of a black hole or another massive object, it is curved along with the space. This effect has been known for a long time and is called gravitational lensing. Thanks to this, we see a bright glow around black holes. This is the light of many stars located behind the black hole. Moreover, we can see the light from one star on different sides of a black hole. Photons that have fallen into the event horizon of a black hole find themselves at the bottom of its gravitational well and must overcome an infinite distance to escape. That is precisely why a black hole does not let light escape. A photon's attempt to escape from a black hole is like a person trying to run to the end of a treadmill. The same situation applies to neutrinos. They interact very little with matter and have a tiny mass. Because of this, many people believe they should not interact with black holes and therefore will pass through them. But black holes do not allow neutrinos to escape, just as they do not allow photons to escape, due to the infinite curvature of space.